Welcome to this very important sheet metal tutorial guys. In this video I will explain you how to use the fold and unfold tool in sheet metal. This tool allow us to either flatten the part and unflatten and even allow us to edit the part as well. So let's begin. Open a part file, change the background to plain white, select here front plane and click on sketch, and from here select the center line and make here a straight vertical center line like this. Now select a circle and make a circle like this. Now let's specify the diameter of this circle as 50 millimeter. After that select a line and make here a horizontal line, then vertical line, and after that select here a center line and make here a center line like this. And now select this trim entities. First trim the external circle and then this line only. And now let's define it. For that select smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line as 20 millimeter and the height of this line as 35 millimeter. Now press escape button. Select these 2 points by pressing the control button alongside and make relation as horizontal. After that select here mirror entities. Only select these 2 lines. It will appear here, and in mirror about window select this vertical line and the sketch will get mirrored like this. Here you can see the sketch is still underdefined. Press control button, select these 2 points and make relation as vertical, and from here you can see the sketch is now fully defined. And now let me show you how to enable the sheet metal. From here you can select your sheet metal to get this tab enabled. Select your base flange and here specify the length of the part, that is 245 in my case, and from here you can specify the thickness of the part. In my case this is 4.5 millimeter thick. Check this box from here and here is our part. Now if we select the flatten tool, first let me apply some appearance. If we select the flatten tool, definitely it will get flattened, but we cannot edit this part. Fold and unfold tool will flatten the part and allow us to edit this as well. So this is the unfold tool. Here we need to specify this fixed face, and when we select this option, all the other faces, the rest of everything will get automatically selected. We do not have to do anything. Check this box from here and this is get flattened. Now select this face and click on sketch, and now let me make a straight slot and make here a straight slot like this. I'm making a slot here. Click this point and now let's define it guys. Select the smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line. I'm specifying as 120 millimeter. Now select this arc and make it as 6.5 millimeter radius. Now press escape button, hold control key and select these 2 points and make relation as vertical. It will shift it into toward the center. Now select smart dimensioning tool. From this line to this line here specify the distance. I'm specifying here as 20 millimeter, and now here you can see this is fully defined now. And here select linear sketch pattern. Clear this window. Here you need to select this edge or this edge, it's up to you, and scroll down in this entities to pattern window, select this slot, and here you can actually specify how many patterns you like, and here is the distance between them. You can set it according to your design. I'm adjusting it according to my design. From here you can increase this number and you can adjust it. So I'm adjusting it as per my sketch. When you check this box from here, and now it's time to cut these, so I'm selecting here extruded cut command. Since I want it to cut through all, so I'm specifying here through all and check the box. This is the unfolded version, and now let me fold it. For that I need to go to sheet metal and select the fold. I do not need to do anything. Automatically everything is selected. This is the fixed sketches are automatically selected. When we select this option and check this box from here, and from here you can see this part is folded now. So that's how we work with fold and unfold. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.